Welcome back to the Vet Mentor AI channel, and today we're diving into something really important: how to make the most of your well-deserved benefits as a veteran. In this video, we'll explore the best states to live in if you're a veteran, based on tax benefits, healthcare, housing, and other state-specific advantages. Choosing the right state can save you thousands. So let's dive into the best states offering the best veteran benefits in 2025. From sunny Florida to the breathtaking landscapes of Montana, we've got you covered. Stick around to find out which state could be your next home. Let's get started. First up, we're heading down south to the great state of Texas. Texas has always had a special place in its heart for veterans, and it shows. One of the biggest perks? No state income tax. That's right, what you earn is what you keep, which can make a huge difference in your wallet. Texas also offers a generous $12,000 homestead exemption for veterans with disabilities, reducing property taxes significantly. The state is home to numerous VA health centers, so you're never far from quality medical care. Veterans in Texas can attend state colleges and universities for free. Plus, there are additional discounts for their families. The Texas Veterans Land Board, VLB, provides affordable home loans and even grants for veterans looking to buy homes. So whether you're drawn to the bustling cities or the wide-open spaces, Texas rolls out the red carpet for veterans. With its winning combination of tax breaks, healthcare access, educational opportunities, and housing assistance, Texas truly stands out as a top contender for veterans seeking a supportive and rewarding place to call home. Next stop, we're soaking up some sun in Florida. Known for its beautiful beaches and laid-back lifestyle, Florida also happens to be a haven for veterans seeking a comfortable and affordable life. Veterans with disabilities enjoy property tax exemptions, making homeownership even more accessible. And just like Texas, say goodbye to state income tax. This means more of your hard-earned money stays right where it belongs, with you. The state boasts a robust network of VA facilities dedicated to providing exceptional care to those who have served our nation. Florida offers a range of retirement benefits, including exemptions on military pensions for 100% disabled veterans. The state offers a wealth of resources and support services designed to help veterans thrive in civilian life. From job placement assistance to mental health counseling, Florida stands ready to support veterans every step of the way. So, if you're dreaming of sunny days, a relaxed atmosphere, and a state that truly values its veterans, Florida might just be your perfect match. With its tax advantages, top-notch healthcare, and dedication to making retirement comfortable, Florida earns its spot as one of the best states for veterans in 2025. Now we're heading west to the Golden State, California. Known for its iconic landmarks, diverse culture, and innovative spirit, California also shines when it comes to supporting its veteran population. One of California's standout features is its unwavering dedication to education. The California College Fee Waiver Program allows veterans with a service-connected disability to attend any University of California or California State University campus absolutely free. California also offers a variety of vocational training programs and apprenticeships specifically designed for veterans, making it easier for them to transition into civilian careers. Veterans who are 100% disabled can receive a property tax exemption for their primary residence. Beyond these incredible benefits, California offers a wealth of additional resources for veterans, including employment assistance, mental health services, and support groups. The state is home to numerous veterans organizations and community centers that provide a sense of camaraderie and support for those transitioning back to civilian life. So, if you're drawn to California's vibrant energy, endless opportunities, and commitment to education and support, the Golden State might be the perfect place for you to call home. Let's head to the heartland of America, to South Dakota. Known for its stunning natural beauty and iconic Mount Rushmore, it's also gaining a reputation as a haven for veterans seeking affordability and a strong support system. One of the biggest draws for veterans in South Dakota is its incredibly favorable tax environment. We're talking about no state income tax, which means more money stays in your pocket. And if you're a veteran with a disability, you'll be pleased to know that South Dakota offers generous property tax exemptions, making homeownership even more affordable. South Dakota boasts a lower cost of living compared to many other states. Veterans can take advantage of reduced vehicle registration fees, making it more affordable to own and operate a vehicle. Beyond the tangible benefits, South Dakota fosters a strong sense of community and appreciation for veterans. So, if you're seeking a place with breathtaking scenery, a welcoming atmosphere, and a commitment to keeping life affordable for veterans, South Dakota might just be your perfect match. Next up, we're heading to the dazzling lights of Nevada. Known for its vibrant entertainment scene and stunning desert landscapes, Nevada also happens to be a state that rolls out the red carpet for veterans. Like many other states on our list, Nevada boasts no state income tax. Veterans in Nevada enjoy property tax exemptions, making homeownership more attainable. The Nevada Veterans Employment and Training Service, or VETS, is dedicated to helping veterans find their footing in the civilian workforce. VETS provides job search assistance, resume writing workshops, interview coaching, and connections to employers actively seeking to hire veterans. They also provide guidance on navigating the federal job application process, opening doors to rewarding careers in public service. The state also offers a variety of resources designed to enhance the well-being of veterans and their families. From mental health services to educational benefits, Nevada strives to create a supportive environment where veterans can thrive. So, if you're looking for a state with a vibrant energy, tax advantages, and a commitment to helping veterans find their footing in the civilian world, Nevada might be the perfect place to start your next chapter. Now we're venturing into the great wide open to Montana. Known for its breathtaking scenery, wide open spaces, and adventurous spirit, Montana also happens to be a state that deeply values its veteran population. For veterans seeking a sense of peace and tranquility amidst stunning natural beauty, Montana offers a welcome escape. Veterans with a 50% or higher disability rating are eligible for substantial property tax exemptions, significantly reducing the financial burden of homeownership. The state's stunning natural beauty is a huge draw for veterans who love the great outdoors. Montana offers veterans discounted hunting and fishing licenses. Veterans can also enjoy reduced fees at state parks, campgrounds, and other recreational facilities. Beyond the tangible benefits, Montana's strong sense of community and deep respect for veterans create a welcoming and supportive atmosphere. So, if you're yearning for wide open spaces, fresh air, and a state that truly values its veterans, Montana might just be the perfect place to call home. Finally, we're heading north to the last frontier, Alaska. Known for its rugged beauty, independent spirit, and incredible wildlife, Alaska also stands out as a state that goes above and beyond for its veterans. One of the most notable benefits that sets Alaska apart is its Veterans Bonus Program. Veterans who served in specific combat zones can receive an annual bonus, which can be substantial depending on your service history. Alaska also understands the importance of keeping more money in veterans' pockets, which is why they offer various tax exemptions. From property tax exemptions to deductions on military pensions, Alaska strives to ease the financial burden on veterans and their families. Alaska's cost of living, while higher in some areas, can be surprisingly affordable, especially when you factor in the lack of state income tax and sales tax in many areas. Beyond the financial advantages, Alaska offers a sense of adventure and a strong sense of community that many veterans find appealing. The state's vast wilderness, stunning scenery, and opportunities for outdoor recreation provide a welcome escape for those seeking tranquility and a connection with nature. So, if you're drawn to Alaska's rugged beauty, independent spirit, and unique blend of benefits, the last frontier might just be the perfect place to call home. Well, there you have it, folks. The top 7 states offering the best benefits for veterans in 2025. From the warm beaches of Florida to the rugged beauty of Alaska, each state offers its own unique blend of advantages designed to honor and support those who have served our country. To maximize the benefits available in these states, start by ensuring that you are registered for the necessary programs. Contact local Veterans Service offices for more specific guidance and use Vet Mentor AI's tools to track available benefits, ensure you're applying correctly, and optimize your veteran-related claims. Vet Mentor AI can be your one-stop shop for navigating the world of veteran benefits so you can focus on what truly matters, enjoying the next chapter of your life. Thanks for watching, and a huge thank you to all our veterans for their service and sacrifice.